Do you know that these smoke detectors do expire? Have you gone to some homes and see some of these smoke detectors that are so yellow and don't look as clean and white like this? That means most likely that smoke detector is expired. A lot of people are not aware that these things do expire as well. So today I want to share with you guys why it's important to check if your smoke detector is expired. A lot of homeowners just assume that they're working because every few months you hear that beeping sound, beep, 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 and you assume that's working. But this only can last up to 10 years. So if you bought your house 10 years ago and you haven't changed this, I think it's about time for you to change these things and replace them with a new one, okay? So it's very important to always check the safety things in your home, like the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Here in Colorado is the law that you have to have both smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector as well, because they found out that a lot of people are dying because they didn't have a smoke detectors or they didn't have carbon monoxide in their home. And carbon monoxide doesn't have any smell and it just kills you slowly. So you're dying softly without knowing. So make sure that all of these things are changed. In the back of this, there's a little sticker in the back here will tell you how long these things can last there. And I guarantee you that most of them are going to last 10 years and then you have to replace them. And one of the ways you need to know that it expired is when it's every few months you hear that beeping sound in the middle of the night. Every few months you hear it again. That means that carbon dioxide, it's probably expired. It's very important to know that these things are working because fire can happen in the house at any time. And if the early you know that there's like a fire in your house, they're better. And you could actually save your life and you can save your property from burning down because these things are lifesavers. So, and it's been about 10 years now and I just changed the entire house. They sell these things that has a carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide detector. They have both. Sometimes if you just buy one that could detects carbon dioxide, then that means they have to buy a carbon monoxide one and install it like right into your house. In Colorado, they require you that you have to have both. So you could either buy one that has both, that detects both of them, or you can just buy one that has just one, carbon dioxide, okay? They come in different versions. Some of them are hardwired like this one here. This is a hardwired, or you can get ones that are not hardwired, but they all have to be connected. If one goes off, they all have to go off. They even have some that are Bluetooth nowadays. So I just finished a basement and one of my friends had to just bought the Bluetooth one instead of this wired one. In my house, everything is wired, and I finished my basement a couple of years ago and I did everything wired. And you always have a backup battery. These are brand new. And you have a backup battery just in case the power is out, and so it's always going to be on and working even when power is not out. So if you get the Bluetooth one, it will work, but they have to all sync from the basement to the entire house. So if the inspectors come here to inspect your house, if you just finished your basement, they want to make sure when the basement start buzzing or chopping, they're all going to buzz all the way to the entire house. So it's very, very imperative that you check this expiration, if they expired in your home, and replace them. And I recommend when you're buying this to buy, if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, to just buy a contractor pack like this one here. This is gonna come with 6 of them, and I bet you that in your house you have more than 6. If you have 3 bedroom, every bedroom has to have one of these. So if you have 3 bedroom upstairs, that's 3 already. If you have your living area, that's 4 already. And then, for example, if you have a hallway somewhere, they might want you to put one there. And if you have a bedroom in the basement, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, you're gonna have to put every room has to have a carbon dioxide detector in it. So if you buy a 6-pack, most homes only need 6 of these. So if you need more than this, then you can just buy two boxes and then just keep them and then use them when it's needed because it's still brand new. Okay. What makes these things malfunction is dust and humidity in your home, condensation from the house, and if you have it like in your bedroom and there's a bathroom there and you take showers with hot water, like especially in the winter, it will get condensation and it will malfunction. It will stop working. So always check this when you're changing the batteries and you're putting a new one. Check when the expiration date is gonna be. And I like these ones you buy like that. They come with adapters like this because what you have in the home is probably not gonna be the same brand with this. So if you get a new one, they give you an adapter this so you can switch or if it's just completely different, then you have to like switch the whole thing. And changing this is pretty simple. Just go to your breaker in the garage and turn the power off first, and then go up there and there's just 3 wires like this. Just follow what's up there and change them, and then you put this new one. You don't need to call an electrician for this. They're super simple, unless you're like elderly and you don't want to get in the ladder because you might fall. Okay, so just want to share with you guys, this is so important. This is so important. A lot of people forget this, and they can live in their home for the rest of their lives and never ever change these smoke detectors. And this is so important. And you can buy, I recommend buying one that has both carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide in it. It's going to be a little more expensive, so if you don't want to do that, you can just buy this carbon dioxide one, the CO2 one, and then buy one of those plug-in ones that are carbon monoxide in, because they only need it just around where you'll slip it. That's all you need to put it on. Or if you have a basement, if there's bedrooms in the basement, you have to put it closer to those bedrooms. But you can just buy one and put it in the living room, in the living area in the basement that has carbon monoxide and the CO2. All right, and you should cover that, and you should be safe and keep your kids and your family safer. So wanted to share with you guys. This is what I buy when I fix houses and I'm replacing them. I always replace them every time I buy a house. I don't trust the homeowners that were in there. Always, whether it looks new, whether it looks clean like this. You know, people do clean this with Clorox because they don't like how yellowish they turn. I've seen that, and so some people paint them in the house. So I always change it, just put a new one, because I care about the family that's gonna come back in the house that I bought and fixed. Okay, so I recommend this. If you go to Lowe's, this is gonna be in the electrical department, and you can buy them, and that's the item number right here. If you can see it right here, and this is the contractor part. You should be safe, all right? And it really don't matter. Some people will tell you like buy this brand or whatever it is. Like these things all work. So there's no like one that's better than the other one. If you go cheaper, then maybe. So I have used this several times, and always never fails. So these are good ones. They're gonna be a little bit expensive, not too much, but you're getting 6 in these boxes as a contractor. If you buy a single one, there's like almost one of them is about $30, and if you buy a 6-pack of this contractor pack, like I can't remember the price, but it's about like 50 something, 60 something, 70 something, but you're buying 6 instead of just buying one for $35 or $37. So I highly recommend this one. So if you haven't changed this, I urge you to go today when you get home and just check your room, check all the rooms, and make sure that you don't have smoke detectors that don't work, that expired years and years ago, and you think they're still working, you know. And once you change them and you fix them, you're not gonna hear their chirping beep sound all the time every few months. That's one reason to know that these things are not working, they're expired. Okay, be safe. Protect your family, protect your pets, protect your valuable investment in your home. Don't die because of ignorance. All right? If you have any question, let me know. And if you don't know how to install this, one of these days I'm gonna just drop a comment on below this video, and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. It's pretty simple. Anybody, you don't need any electrical skills. You don't need to be an electrician to install this. This is super simple. Sometimes you can just buy the exact one you have and just take the top, and when you buy the other one, you just put the next one on there, and it just fits perfectly. All right. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys, and be safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.